What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Emmanuel Maribay. I'm a full stack developer based out here in Austin, Texas, and I'm building my app Foundry. Check out the last video for that. But in today's video, I'm gonna do a walkthrough of the entire setup, how I do the notifications with Firebase cloud messaging and Notify, and how I use Firebase cloud functions to pretty much trigger the notifications when an event happens in the cloud. So other than that, let's get into it. So first off, I'm using Firebase cloud functions to trigger notifications based on a specific event in my app. Then I use Firebase cloud messaging to actually send the notifications to the user's device. And then I use Notify, which is a powerful library for customizing and displaying notifications on the client side. The flow is pretty straightforward, but each piece plays a different role. So I'll pretty much break it down, starting off with the cloud functions, which I think is pretty cool. Essentially, whenever a certain event happens in my app, like someone sending a message, creating a post, or replying to a comment, it triggers a cloud function. So for example, when a user directs a message to another user, I have a cloud function that listens for new messages in the chat rooms collection. So once a message is detected, the cloud functions will fire off a notification using Firebase cloud messaging. In addition to Firestore triggers, I also use on-call functions, which is a certain type of cloud function that's triggered via a HTTPS request with predefined formats, which is useful when I want to trigger notification immediately based on a user action without waiting for Firestore rights. So for example, if a user likes a post or writes a post and I want to send a notification to that owner, a cloud function is a on-call cloud function is triggered. The cool thing about on-call functions is that they give me a real-time control over notifications without waiting for Firestore rights. This is perfect for instant feedback like likes, follows, or comments. Now the cool part about FCM is that it's the bridge between my backend and the user device. Once the cloud function sends a notification, FCM delivers it to the user. However, FCM by itself only handles the delivery. That's where Notify comes in. So Notify is what actually allows me to customize how the notification looks on the device. For example, I can make the notification show the user's profile picture, add custom sounds, or even create action buttons right in the notification. The reason I love this setup is because Cloud Functions handles the heavy lifting, no manual API calls from my app. SCM ensures the message is reliably delivered. Notify gives me a full control of how the notification looks. On-call functions allow me to trigger notifications instantly without relying on Firestore rights. It creates a super smooth experience for users on Foundry. Anytime they get a new message, like, or someone interacts with their post, they get a clean custom notification that keeps them engaged. So yeah, that's pretty much how I'm handling notifications in Foundry. If you're working on React Native app and want to push notifications that feel native and powerful, I highly recommend this stack. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about setting up cloud functions, FCM, or Notify. I'd be happy to help. And if you're new here, I'm building Foundry from scratch and documenting the whole journey from code to startup. So hit that subscribe button if you want to follow along. And by the time this video is uploaded, I will have the app rebuild and uploaded the test flight. And I'll drop like my email down in the link. I'm looking to get more test users. I have like about 50 right now, but I'm looking to get more test users. So if you are interested in using the app, I'll drop down my email in the comments. You can send me a quick email and I'll send you a quick test flight invite. But I will officially get a landing page up for the app, so users were able to go and see what the app is about, the entire functionality, and even sign up for a waitlist for the full release date for the app, which is April 16th for the app to be released. So other than that, I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.